Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we share useful information on farming and agriculture. Today, we're going to talk about snail farming and how to improve the growth of your snails. We will be talking about snail farming and how to improve the growth of your snails. Snail farming has become an increasingly popular venture for farmers, both big and small, due to the high demand for snail products in the food industry. Snail farming is an interesting and profitable business that involves rearing snails for food or other purposes. One of the most important aspects of snail farming is ensuring the proper growth and development of your snails. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and tricks on how to improve the growth of your snails. Tip 1. Provide a suitable environment. The environment is one of the most important factors that determine the growth and development of your snails. Snails thrive in a cool, moist environment with adequate ventilation. Ensure that the snailery is clean and free from pests and predators. You should also provide a suitable substrate for your snails to lay their eggs and for the hatchlings to grow. Tip 2. Feed your snails well. Feeding is another crucial aspect of snail farming. Snails are herbivorous animals and feed mainly on leaves, fruits, and vegetables. Ensure that your snails have access to a variety of foods that are rich in calcium, protein, and other essential nutrients. You can feed your snails with vegetables like cabbage, spinach, and lettuce, and fruits like banana and pawpaw. Tip 3. Maintain optimal humidity and temperature. Snails thrive in a cool, moist environment with temperatures ranging between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. You should also ensure that the humidity levels are between 70 to 80%. Maintaining optimal humidity and temperature levels will ensure that your snails grow and develop properly. Tip 4. Control disease and parasites. Disease and parasites can cause stunted growth and even death in snails. To prevent this, you should maintain good hygiene practices in your snailery and regularly check for signs of disease or parasites. You can also use natural remedies like garlic, neem oil, and turmeric to prevent and control disease and parasites. Tip 5. Provide adequate lighting. Lighting is also an important factor that affects the growth and development of your snails. Snails need a certain amount of light to regulate their biological processes, including reproduction and growth. You can provide natural light by positioning your snailery in a well-lit area or using artificial light if natural light is not sufficient. Tip 6. Monitor and maintain the health of your snails. Regular monitoring of your snails' health is crucial in ensuring their growth and development. Keep an eye out for any signs of illness or abnormalities in your snails, such as discoloration, lethargy, or unusual behavior. If you notice any issues, take immediate action to prevent the spread of disease or parasites. Conclusion. In conclusion, snail farming can be a profitable and rewarding venture when done right. To improve the growth of your snails, you should provide a suitable environment, feed them well, maintain optimal humidity and temperature, control disease and parasites, provide adequate lighting, and monitor their health regularly. By following these tips, you can ensure that your snails grow and develop properly, and your snail farming business thrives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more farming and agriculture-related content. Thanks for watching.